Hey guys, welcome to eMath. Today we will continue to look at SAT reasoning tests. When you see a diagram or figure in SAT, you should be very happy because all the diagrams in SAT are drawn to scale unless stated, so you can trust them. Okay. For example, this question. Obviously, you can see that angle 2 is an obtuse angle, right, which is greater than 90. And out of the 4 choices, only answer D is greater than 90. So, that's the answer. Now we will try to solve this mathematically. According to the question, this angle 1 is equals to 35 degrees. And we know that when two straight lines intersect, they will form a vertical angle. So, this will also be 35 degrees. And as you can see, this part here in the middle is actually a parallelogram. Okay, what is the properties of parallelogram? Okay, properties of parallelogram. Okay, we know that for a parallelogram like this, okay, this angle here will be equivalent to this angle here. And this angle here will be equals to this angle here. So, we can say that this one is also equals to 35 degrees. And as you can see, this is a straight line. So, angle 2 will be equals to 180 degrees minus 35 degrees, which gives us 145 degrees. And that's the answer.